Crossing the street in Bangkok is crazy.
20,000 baht.
We're in the smoke lounge.
We can move in tomorrow.
Where you got me walking to? I'm fucking hot.
Good morning from Thailand. We are about to go to the dispensary and get some.
Outside in Thailand. We lost. We can't find the dang third floor. Oh gosh, y'all. We gotta go all the way up here. Y'all, this is the elevator. Oh, here?
Oh.
We had to bring the elevator down, y'all. Into the elevator. We're going in. It's very small, petite. That's where we're going. And we're
Salute to my Dutch friend that I just met.
You sweating.
I know. Take his damn study
Yeah, I
off.
don't even know why he put that
Doesn't go
on.
together.
You said, huh?
3 different reds, but we in Thailand. Socks out, no toes. No socks, no toes out. Socks out, no toes.
What are those? Let's go. Now here we go. Oh.
I think it's closed, is it?
Yep. That's why I told you. I said the sign downstairs wasn't on. Well, they are closed. We gotta try again. Walking down the same street. Again.
2 minutes after we just walked back this way.
This boy just swear he know where he going, and he really don't. Talking about something. It's down this way. No, it's not, bro. Where are you walking to? Where you got me walking to? I'm fucking hot. Like, he just be walking. Don't even be having no location. Like, where are you going? Where? What you see back here? Sawadee. Do I look fed up? Because I am. One person telling us to go this way, and another person telling us to go back to where that person is at. Like, the shop is fucking closed. It's hot as shit. It's hot as fuck. And they got me doing all this back and forth walking. I need something to drink. And I don't got no cash on me because I didn't bring my shit. What's up, y'all? So it is currently 12 p.m. in Thailand, and we just got to our second Airbnb, which is the original Airbnb. And basically, the reason why we had a different Airbnb last night is because we got an email stating that our last flight from Bahrain to Bangkok was going to be, you know, delayed. It was changing from a 6-hour flight to a 30-hour flight, blah, blah, blah. We were going to be getting here on the 25th instead of the 24th. So I went ahead and canceled last night for this Airbnb. Come to find out, when I called them, that email was incorrect. So we had to book a $23 Airbnb for last night, and now we're at the new Airbnb. But we're here early. It's 12 o'clock. Check-in is not until 3, so we put our bags in that little storage locker thing, and now we're just sitting around waiting. And we will go out and walk around and stuff. My phone is dead, so it has to charge before we do any of that. So I'm just gonna sit here, let that charge, and then we're gonna go explore. And you can see the beautiful pool from where I'm sitting. Can't see the whole thing, but it looks so refreshing out there. We're here to view the first apartment.
I have room around 6 February.
Oh, February too.
But now full. Yeah, but now not available.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I tried to call, but nobody answered. We are in Sukhumvit. No sidewalk. They about to touch my shoulder. Look at the shrimp. Stay alive. I'm gonna get one and take it home and cook it. Yeah. Get me some water from over here while I'm waiting for my Uber or my Grab to go to the next apartment, because the one we just went to didn't have any available units until February 6th. Got me a water because it's so hot. I need something to drink.
She's a fucking loser, y'all. She's a fucking loser. Fucking loser.
What did you just say?
She's a fucking L7, bro. L7.
Bye. Into the Uber. Sawadee-ka. Yeah, short term. Yes.
Now we have only one.
Only this one left.
Okay, we just want to look at it. Oh, nice, nice. Spacious. Yeah, this is a nice size. I like it. And to here, you got the closet space. Let's see. It's nice. I like it, and it's 700 baht per month. Yes, I like it. I do, but you know, still want to see how this is. And this is the view from the patio. Huh? What happened? You said you are sold? Oh, this is the shower. Well, we still have a few other ones to look at.
We have a
Stove here.
We have a kitchen with this.
Okay, perfect.
Only like that.
Okay, perfect. Silverware.
I like it.
Microwave is there. Okay.
I'm sold.
I like this. I really like this.
I love it.
This is at the top of the list. So that was a success. We really like that one. Where are you going? We're going back to the street. Because we don't have, I thought we were going to walk in the area and just go to another hotel. Because the other one is like a whole nother fucking city away.
I'd rather just text the one that's verified there. I ain't gonna.
I knew this was gonna happen. I knew we were gonna go to one place, and this boy was gonna fall in love, and he was just gonna be like, let's just get it. And after the fact, but we already been ripping and running the streets, getting Ubers here, there, and everywhere without even seeing an apartment. So I feel like after all of that stress and just extraness for nothing, he seen this apartment and it got everything we want. So he was just like, fuck it, I'ma just go lock it in. I just don't like the price, but I mean, we can afford it, but I wanted to pay less, but it's fine.
You can move in tomorrow. Pay today.
That's fine.
Okay, it's 20, 29.
To move in?
That's
Oh,
the first one.
okay, so we're gonna pay the deposit now so we can move in tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, it got everything we want, but let's do it.
Oh my gosh, they gotta see right now.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,000 baht. 20,000. Get a receipt and make sure you pay me back my money. He gonna pay me back my money because he ain't come prepared. But how you go apartment shopping and you don't bring your cash? But really why I'm like if he is, because it was another apartment that I seen that I like more and it was cheaper, but we can't go view it until tomorrow. And he done seen this, it's big, it's spacious, and he sold. He the one gonna be paying the rent every month, so that's it is what it is. I'm gonna let him pay his $700 every month. I don't care. And then they don't ever have Wi-Fi. That's another thing. They don't have Wi-Fi. He talking about he can just buy a router and blah, blah, blah. But you trying to do too much. We already renting a spot that's, it's not over our budget, but it's already on the higher end of our budget. And they, on top of that, they don't have Wi-Fi. So you got to buy a router to put Wi-Fi in the apartment. I guess. About to leave the Airbnb and go to the dispensary. Right outside the Airbnb, we got all of these little shops here. Thai street food. I might get something, who knows? If I see something I like. Well, all of the little Thai shops on this road are closed. It's 6 p.m. so maybe they close at 5 p.m. I'm assuming on this street. Whoa, crossing the street in Bangkok is crazy. Maybe Jay running, exactly.
Go.
Baby.
You ready? Go.
We here, y'all.
He said you were gonna come back and smoke. Why don't you guys go there?
Not yet. Thank you. Oh, this is nice. Let's chill and smoke. This is lit. We're in the smoke lounge. We hit our head on this. I don't need to be going up here high like this, bro.
I'm searching all the cities and I'm looking up the prices and all that stuff. Originally, I'm not gonna lie, and I said, like, I just came out of the room like, yo, I'm moving, we're going out.
We're going to Thailand.
We're going to Thailand, we're doing a whole international tour. And he was like, I honestly wanted you to go a little harder. It was like, I didn't think it was that high.
wanted me to go a little harder. I think to be like, well, say no.
Hey, you tripping, bro? You tripping? What you talking about? We going to Bangkok? What the fuck you talking about? We going to stay for?
You know I be down with the get down.
No, you don't. Not at first. At first, you was not down with the
What
get down.
you mean? I mean, I know, but of course not at first. But like, I'm just saying, like in general with things, I'm very open to doing stuff, but I do need a little push sometimes.
Need a little push.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is Bangkok? Bro, like what? We make meat content with you guys,
Somebody coming up.
with your likes, subscribes.
There you go. What? You can put this on YouTube.
All you have to do is learn it. No Jumper does it all the time.
Oh man.
Comment if you watch No Jumper.
There you go. No Jumper.
I think we having a spliffs and then they throw out the spliffs with the cigarettes in it.
Y'all. You done knocked the man off his ride.
Like 3 times.
They helping him up. A girl that was on the bike? Aw. Hey, I'm fried. Woo, got to cross the street.
It's really just the left side.
You said it's gonna be on the right side?
It's gonna be on this side. You know I don't be doing shit like that.
Okay.
I mean, a whole different section. But I watched this bitch 3 times already, or 4 times already.
Yeah.
Cause I had
Got
went
me
down the street,
wondering.
and I'm like, no.
And here it is on the right side of the street. But, you know, we had to turn left to get here. Yo. You had a little bit of sense of direction. You're getting better.
I'm in a whole other country. I don't know where I
I know.
am.
It's a small jam, like a sauna. Oh, right here. It's right here. Right here. It's so sweet. I mean, we got some cauliflower and potatoes and like a sweet and sour sauce. Doesn't smell sweet and sour though, but that's what it said. Some tiki marinated chicken fried rice, and chicken samosas. Yum. And I can't forget the veggies on the side. Cucumber, tomato, and lime. And what is that, jalapeno maybe? And onions. Perfect. I'm gonna definitely eat these.
10 billion-dollar cars.
It's Thai milk tea. Nervous. Why is it orange? I don't know. What type of milk is in here? What type of tea is it? I don't know. It was free with my meal. It's coffee. No, it tastes like tea. It's tea with creamer. I don't know. It's not bad. It might make me bubble. But it's not bad. It's tea. I don't really like tea like that, but it's alright. Let's try this chicken fried rice. I could taste the soy in this. I got a flavor that the American Chinese fried rice do not taste like. Tiki, marinated chicken, yogurt, something like that. That's what it said. Tastes like barbecue. You want chicken? You want to try with barbecue sauce? I don't know how this boy gonna survive. He gonna survive off of McDonald's and 7-Eleven. Cucumber.
Curry cauliflower. Ooh, that thing's spicy.
Whew, it's spicy. They talking about sweet and spicy sauce. Maybe if you add this little sauce, it kind of tastes like raisin sauce or apple sauce with a little kick. But this is cauliflower
That's
and
good.
yeah, it's good, but
That's
it's
good.
spicy.
That's real good though.
One more.
I gotta come try that.
Mm-hmm.
Broken. Stop.
This samosa. It's dry. They gave us this sauce. Two sauce, so maybe I can like put it on there and give it some juice. You know? I give it a 7.5. Shut your bitch ass up. 7.5 out of 10.
I was never gonna get that rating shot.
Nigga. At the bottom of the pyramid, we have chicken samosas. In third place, tiki marinated chicken yogurt. And the rice is at number 2. And at the top of the pyramid, we have Maddie. Go away, you ain't want no more. You want a rice. So rice should be at the top of your pyramid. I know. First 24 hours in Thailand, we done secured the apartment. I went to this dope ass dispensary. Done seen the streets of Thailand in different areas. Tried some food. We didn't try no street food yet, but we tried some food from over here. And what else did we do today?
We locked some down.
I said that was the first thing I said. See, you're not even listening. No, you over here too busy scraping up this rice. Do you want some more? Like,
Good, fuck you, okay?
the way you scraping that shit up.
Yeah.
Right. Bro. Demolished it.
I know you ain't bring that busted up ass Android to my motherfucking plate. Do these people know you recording off an Android?
Anyways. So, yeah. These first 24 hours were very productive.
Excuse me.
You're excused. And I can't wait to see, what the rest of these 2 months got to offer. Tomorrow, we're going to go get some stuff for the apartment, like towels and bed sheets and stuff like that. I think they're going to give us bed sheets, but maybe like rags, because they don't got no rags here, y'all. They ain't got no rags. I ain't take a shower with a rag in like 4 days. I'm over here using my hands and soap. We don't do that. We don't do that. But finally, when I got here to this Airbnb, they got like these face towels, and I used it as a rag because everywhere else only had big ass fucking winter dry towels. Yeah, we gotta get rags and stuff like that. Sneakers, because my feet hurt wearing these goddamn flats. I need a new microphone because I lost my microphone on the plane.
My fault. My fault. Oh, gonna be me.
I lost my microphone on the airplane, so I need to get a new one. So we're gonna go to the mall for that. Then we gotta go grocery shopping. Yeah, so we got a few things on the agenda tomorrow. So I'm about to eat this food right on up. Him and his interruptions. See, I can't record around him. Well,
You want me to hold my burp?
I need to put you in a cage somewhere.
It's natural. Like farting.
It's okay. I get paid for my burps, so. But you don't, so.
Yeah, that's why I give them out for free.
Anyways.
I
So,
ain't no bougie bitch.
I'm about to go to bed. Well, I'm about to eat this food, watch a little Netflix, go to bed. so we can start our new day tomorrow. Like, we literally paid the deposit for that apartment today, and we moving tomorrow. Okay? We don't play around. We don't play. We get down. Okay? Ciao.